In this video, you will learn how to use the Locations tool to create custom locations to later be used in an automated routine for scanning and time-lapse experiments on the EVOS FL Auto 2 imaging system. From the Capture tab, you will see Locations button available in the top left corner of the screen. The Locations button can be used to define custom scan locations on your sample area, which can later be used in an automated routine. Clicking on the Locations button brings up a pop-up window that will allow you to create new locations. When in Field View, you have two buttons available: Select and Pan or Point. Select and Pan allows you to move around your sample area and zoom in or out. Point allows you to draw pins at a location of interest. Pins allow you to define a specific field of your sample area that you wish to image. These pins can be imported later in an automated tab to be used in an automated routine. As new pins are created, you will see them displayed in the Locations pop-up window. When in Area View, you will have the ability to create shapes on your area map to define locations of interest. In addition to Select and Pan and Point, you will also have the ability to create ellipses, rectangles, or a freeform shape. As new shapes are created, they will appear in the Locations pop-up menu. If you need to adjust the focus position for a specific location, first click on the location you wish to adjust. Next, turn on your light. Adjust your focus. And finally, click Set Z in the Locations pop-up menu next to your location. Click Done to close the Locations pop-up menu. Your locations are now available in your Automate tab.